Hey everybody, how you doing? This is Gary Bledsoe from whoisgarybledsoe.com, and I want to bring another unboxing to you. I love this company. This is actually my first one, but I like what they have set up so far. Hopefully I like what they have inside. It's called Basic Man. This is it right here, Basic Man. Basically what it is that a lot of times, you know how you go to the store and you want to buy underwear, you want to buy t-shirts, things like that for men. And it's usually plain white ones, things like that. If you want to get something that's a little bit more colored, it's usually not high quality. Well, I found something online called Basic Man, and basically what you do is you pay $20 a month, which is only 20 bucks a month, and you get a t-shirt, I believe you get a pair of socks, and you get a pair of underwear. So this is the first unboxing, and I'm going to send you the link to it. The link in the description is going to be whoisgarybledsoe.com/undergear. And the reason why is because you wear it under your gear. So /undergear, whoisgarybledsoe.com. So I'm going to go ahead and open it. Hopefully I like what they have. Hopefully they got my sizes right, but I'm going to go ahead and open it. I'm not going to do any try-ons or anything like that, but I'm going to open it and see what it's all about. So here it is. First unboxing of Basic Man. There you go. Got my trusty knife. Got to watch out. Been sharpening it. I don't want to cut myself. So let me go ahead and open it up. Been working out. Let's see what my muscles are doing. I like a nice, neat open. So we closed it up. All right, let's see. The first item we got here looks like a t-shirt. There it is. A nice t-shirt. Nice packaging. Let's open that up and see what that's all about. Oh, I got to use my knife again. I don't feel like using my muscles. Oh, pretty good. I've been sharpening my knife really good. Oh, quality feels good. Nice t-shirt here, I like this. Looks great. I like this, it's really nice. Pretty nice. And what I like about Basic Man is, you know how sometimes you have t-shirts and they usually have, like you wear them and they over and over and things like that, and eventually they start to fade, they get messed up. Well, they have something called destroy by date. And the destroy by date on this, you ain't gonna be able to see it, but it says September 1st, 2020. So that means if I wear it like I'm supposed to every so often, washing in, things like that, I should destroy it by September 1st, 2020. And in other words, keep my subscription going so that way I can keep getting new t-shirts, and I'll always have a fresh t-shirt because I'm a part of Basic Man. So I like this subscription service pretty good. Let's see what else we got here. We got a pair of socks, look like matching. Not matching socks, but got a little bit of gray inside. I like this. I'm starting to dig these colored socks. I never thought I would like them like that. Hand-linked toe materials. I guess Basic Man made it. I like this. It's pretty nice. Nice pair of socks. Ooh, I like that. Okay. T-shirt. Let's see what else we got. Got a pair of undies to hold everything else down there in place. You know how that goes. Let's see the quality. I like the quality of the socks. Pretty nice. Let's see the quality of this real quick. All right. Let's pull out the quality of this. Underwears. Oh, feel really good. Nice boxer briefs. Feels really soft. Oh, my stuff is going to be real happy. Holding everything in place. I like this. Pretty nice. So with that, you guys need to if you're kind of like me, you want to get something new, a mystery every single month. Yes, you can go and pay $20, maybe even cheaper, $14.99, Target, Walmart. And I'm not plugging for them, and I'm definitely not affiliated with Basic Man, but you can go out and you can go and get cheaper underwear, Hanes, wherever it is, and a whole pack and whatever. But if you want something a little bit different, a little bit better quality, better material, hey, just try this out for a couple of months, see if you like it. 20 bucks a month, get different varieties. The best part I like about it is the mystery. I'm not a big shopper. I don't like to go shopping. I love the fact that the internet took over, and if I want something, I go online and look for it. But sometimes when it comes to, I'm a very big avid shopper when it comes to my sneakers, when it comes to maybe a jacket or something, but when it comes to like underwear and stuff, I'm ready to just get whatever. So I said, nope, I want to have more spice in my life. I'm getting older and I want to have more spice, more variety. So I'm going to allow someone else to pick things for me, see how it is, see if it's something that, because I would have never in a million years went to the store and bought these type of socks until now, but I'm going to rock these. This boy, grown up in the South Bronx, would never have went to the store to buy these, but I'm going to rock these. So make sure you get yours. Basic Man, you want to go to whoisgarybledsoe.com/undergear. Make sure you get your copy. With that being said, I see you all at the top.